Let's begin with this question. Find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. So we have to find the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are -3 and -2. So what do you have here? You have the sum and product of zeros, but you don't know what the quadratic polynomial is. Now let's take the general form for a quadratic polynomial, which is ax square, that's right, bx plus c. And its zeros are alpha and beta. Now we already know that alpha plus beta, or the sum of the zeros, is -3 and the product of the zeros is 2. This is all given in the question. Okay. Now, what is the equation for alpha plus beta? How would you write it? Now, what is the formula for the sum of the zeros? Minus b by a, which is nothing but coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. And let's do that for the product as well. What is it for the product of the roots? C by a, which is constant term by the coefficient of x square. Now, so we can write a set of quadratic equations from this given condition. So from here itself you can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. Okay. So one quadratic polynomial which fits the condition is x square plus 3x plus 2 from what we just checked. Now, if a is equal to 2, if a is 2, then the possible values of b would be 6 and c would be 4. So if it is like that, then the quadratic polynomial would be 2x square plus 6x plus 4. Like this, you can check that any quadratic polynomial that fits these conditions would be in the form of k into x square plus 3x plus 2, which is the base equation that we found here. And this would be possible only if k is real. Understood?